Hello everyone, yes, it's weekend. Again, our daily Sudoku practice. Yes, we have here in today's newspaper on Saturday, April the 22nd. Let me show you. Saturday, April the 22nd, 2023. We have a lot of puzzles. First, for today, we have a medium Sudoku, and it's a regular puzzle. And for tomorrow, also a regular puzzle. This is a samurai Sudoku, quintuplet. I will do this tomorrow on Sunday, but in the evening, I have here a puzzle page. Yeah, Saturday, April the 22nd. A puzzle page with 6 puzzles, tectonic, twice a binary, 10 by 10. Sudoku 3 stars, also here Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku. Half of these puzzles I will do 4, not half. 4 of them I will do in the evening, and tomorrow evening, let me show you. Where's the puzzle page here? No, the quintuplet. Here we have a quintuplet with 7 extra puzzles here. The letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 tectonics, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and a binary. And half of them I will solve this tomorrow evening. But first, let me start with the regular puzzle, the medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number. Let me zoom this out. Okay, number 6316. Yeah, 6316. And before I start, I always count up 20 digits for this one. As 26 again. Yeah, 26. Medium Sudoku 26. If you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, it will be a 2 stars for 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes. Alright. This is really a 2 stars. We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column now, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 5, okay. 5 5 5 5, yeah. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, or there. In the last row, we have a 5 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column. Last column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 5, I believe. Need to wait. How about here should be the 8. Here should be the 1. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here or there in this big square. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here 1 in the row below, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. Oh, right. 7. Then the 8 in the first row, the 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 2. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the second row. No 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third column. No 9 there. 9 should be here on the pencil, and the 1 goes there. Alright. Okay, so we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next down, need 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the second row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 7, 4. 3, 4, 3, 4, 3. Okay. And now. How about the number? Yeah. Need to think. We have a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next down. Need 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 4, 4. 8, 8, and 7. Yeah. 3. Come on. 6. Come on. 1, 2. How about here? The 2, 6, and the 4. 2, 6, and the 4. 2. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. And look, we have a 4 and a 6 in this column. So no 4 and a 6 in this box. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. So 1 digit left. Should be the 2 then. So we have 2. Oh, wait. Yeah, we have a pair, I believe. The 1 and the 2 in this column. The 1 and the 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this big square. For the number, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 8 should be here. Yeah, I'm thinking. 7. Yeah, the 9. And a 1. Come on. Need a 5 here. Need a 3 here. I'm thinking. We have a pair in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 7 and 8. We have a 7 and 8 in this row, so no 7 and 8 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 and 8 in the second column, so no 7 and 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 and 8 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 7 goes there. Alright. 7. Okay. About 8. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the column next, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. 5, 5, okay. Now. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. 4, 4, 4. 6, 6, 6. Need 7. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this column, no 7 and 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the last row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Alright. About the 8 then. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 2, number 8. 6 and 5. Then, yeah. How about 4, 6 and 4. Come on. 5 and 3. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers in the first column are the numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the last row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column, so the column between, and only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here 5 in that column, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. Okay. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4, it goes there. Alright. Then 2, 4, 3, and 6. Yeah, 2 numbers left in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in the last row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 6 and 4. Then 9, 4, 2. Need a 2 here. 9, 4, 2. How about this box? 1 box left in the middle row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 in these 2 boxes here. 6 in the last row. No 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in the last column. 6 in the column next. So in that column, no need 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the third row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 6. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Two numbers left in the first row. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. The 1 in the last column, the 1 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then two numbers left in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 9 in this column, 9 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. And look, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Again, the same numbers in this big square. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finishing 60 minutes. Well, definitely a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening. Yes, in the evening with the other 4 puzzles or 3 puzzles. 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. So have a great and fantastic Saturday. See you then. Bye-bye for now.